Are you looking to increase the performance of your team and to understand their productivity whilst working remotely? Salespeople today are presented with CRM systems that capture data but do not help them close deals. There is little or no shared best practice for them to follow. They are presented with pages of fields to fill out, not knowing which are most important and when in the process they will help. This leads to lost selling time, frustration, and deals that could have been won if best practice was shared. CloudApps customers can guide their salespeople with personalised nudges to perform the right behaviours at the right time that will lead to the highest chance of winning the deal. If the culture aligns, then these nudges can be gamified to leverage their competitive spirits with leaderboards, badges, levels, and countdown timers. This guidance is provided across the whole sales and service process, including lead management, account planning, contact and task management, opportunity management, case resolution, and many more, including custom areas. This delivers real value to the salesperson, whilst leveraging their competitive spirit and adding a little fun. Individuals, managers, and account executives can measure their lagging, leading, and behavioural KPIs in real time, driving an increase in overall performance of the team. Global enterprise companies trust CloudApps to help them deliver high-performing sales teams, including telcos such as BT, Vodafone, and Proximus. Whilst working with BT, we increased their sales behaviours by 17%, which led to an increase in one deal size of 33%, resulting in a revenue increase of 21%. Visit us to see how CloudApps can help your business.